Hi beauties, for today we're going to be doing a Mother's Day look because Mother's Day is coming up, and I think I heard a little birdie say that fox eyes are trending, so we're going to do some fox eyes today for Mother's Day. So if you're interested in seeing how this comes out, then please stay tuned. Bye. Alright beauties, so let's go ahead and get started on this look. I'm really excited about doing this look. I think this is going to be really fun. I'm going to start off by putting on my P. Louise base. Always put on your base. Alright beauties, so now we're going to go ahead and start with the eyes. This is going to be a very simple eye look. The drama is going to be all in the liner. Look at how beautiful the artwork is on here. And you can tell it's really good quality because it's a little heavy and the casing just feels nice and smooth. And look at how beautiful and seamless that is. As always, we're going to start off with our transitional shade, and that's going to be almost one of those. Blend that right above the crease. So right here. Blend that here and take it out just like that. Alright beauties, now it's time to add some depth to this look. So I'm going to go into the color called Eja. It's EJA, and we're going to add a little bit of that into the crease. So going right here into where the eye goes in, that is your crease right there. Alright, so now we want to deepen this up even a little bit more. So we're going to go into this color here called Feminist. And I'm going to blend this reddish brown color right here in my outer V, going into my crease, but I'm not going to blend it all the way to the front. This is perfect. So now we want to add even a little bit more depth. So now I'm going to go into Blackity Black, y'all. Black, y'all, that's what it says. I'm going to add this right here at the outer V, and I'm just going to leave it right here. I'm not going to go any further than right there. So don't go in with too much because you want to be able to control it. Alright beauty, so now it's time to cut the crease. We're not going to do anything like super precise or anything crazy like that. It's going to be so simple. Now it's time to add the shimmer. So I'm going into the Oma Beauty Magic Palette again, and I'm going to go into this beautiful gold color called Magical. And I'm just pressing that one to my lid. How pretty is that, you guys? Ooh, gorgeous. So now we're going to go in with the Oma Beauty liner called Cleopatra Ink. Let's bring that up. But keep it low, like that. Then connect here. And make sure that that wing is seamless like this. Now I'm going back into this palette, and I'm going into the black in this palette, and I'm just blending that right here where these two meet, where the gold end. Since I already put the shadow there, I'm just going to blend with the brush with no product on it. So I'm just blending right here to make sure that that is a seamless blend. There we go. We got the liner popping. Okay, now it's time to bring it down to be a fox eye. This area, and okay. Alright. Look at that fox eye, y'all. You see that? I am loving it. I think I want to bring my liner out on the outside a little bit further. So we're going to go ahead and do that real quick. feeling it. Alright beauties, now it's time to go ahead and do the rest of the face. We're going to do this without any talking because I have a full tutorial where I explain everything about highlighting and contouring on my IGTV, 2 IGTVs away. So if you're not the last one but the one before, make sure to watch that. Next we're going to go in with our Alright, so this eye right here, the front kind of got a little messed up. We're going to fix that and start working on the under eye. Alright beauties, so now we're going to go ahead and start to add some of the shadow underneath the eye, going back into the Oma Beauty palette. I'm going to go into this little flat brush right here, and we're going to go into this color here called Feminist right there. And we're going to blend that right underneath by the lash line. So right here. Next we're going to go ahead and go into Ija. And we're going to blend that right underneath. Then we're going to shear it out with Omo. Now we're going to go ahead and do the brows. I'm going to go in with the ColourPop pencil right here and Bang & Brunette and do a quick brow. Now we're going to start blending this extra powder away. Now we're going to go ahead and go with our mascara. This is the Fenty Beauty Mascara in Full Frontal. And just to blend the mascara that fell underneath, I'm going to go in with a mixture of Ija and Omo. So for the waterline, I'm going to be going in with my Inglot 77 liner and putting that into my waterline. Alright, so now because this is winging out the way it is, you want to have a lash that flares out as well. So that's what we're going to work on right now. We're going to bronze up a little, bring back a little bit of color with the deep bronzer from e.l.f. Next we're going to add a little bit of blush. Next we're going to add a little bit of blush. I'm going in with the Always Rosy blush from e.l.f. Let's add a little highlighter. This is the Honor Roll highlighter from the crayon case. Alright y'all, time for the lips. Going in with Don't Be Shy from Dose of Colors. This is a very peachy nude. And it's really pretty. Alright beauty, so this is the final look for our Mother's Day Fox Eye. Fox Eye is trending, Mother's Day is coming up. Why not put them together? So I did that for you guys for this look. I'm so here for it. I think it is so beautiful. It's so sultry and just brings the eyes into this beautiful feline-esque look. And I'm so here for it. Let me know if you guys are enjoying this look. Let me know if you're gonna try and do this lay, and if you do, tag me in it. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. You guys have a wonderful day, and thank you for watching my IG Thursdays. Bye.